Hello friends, I am Antika, and in this video Algae as Cosmeceutical, I am going to discuss a general overview of various algal products, both primary and secondary metabolites, how they are used as a cosmeceuticals. Now that word cosmeceutical, it is an amalgamation of two words, cosmetic and pharmaceutical. So as the name suggests, we are going to discuss what are the various properties of algae that are generally utilized in cosmetic and pharmaceutical industry. In this very first part of the video, I will be discussing how the various metabolites how they help in the cosmetic industries. In the second part of the video, I will be discussing the metabolites in detail. So let's begin the video. This is the first part of the video. So various algal products, they are used in the cosmetic industries due to their the following properties, that is the antioxidant, sunscreen, anti-wrinkle, as a thickening agent in of various cosmetics, and skin sensitizer, as well moisturizer, as well as anti-tanning. Here I have written tanning, it will be anti-tanning product. So question may arise that what is the need of using the algal products? There are many synthetic cosmetics, but synthetic cosmetics like sodium lauryl sulfate, PVP, paraben, and many other products that we are using, they have certain side effects, and also they have low absorption rate. This low absorption rate is because the slow absorption rate, it is because of the large size of the synthetic chemicals. When they are applied topically, that is on the skin, they have low effect than when they are injected. For example, there is one chemical, cyclosporin. It is an immunosuppressant. Immunosuppressant means that if there is certain allergic reaction, then immunosuppressant products, they are used to reduce the immune response, to reduce the allergic response. So this product, cyclosporin, when it is applied on the skin, they have a lesser effect than when they are applied, they are injected on the dermis. So this is how, the low absorption rate, the slow absorption rate, it is the limitation of slow absorption rate, it is made good by applying it through injection. But all the cosmetic which are synthetic, which are chemical cosmetics made in the factories, they have many side effects also. This is the second negative point, that is the side effects. For example, this parabens, which is a very widely used product in cosmetics, they actually mimic our hormone, the female hormone estrogen, and as a result of this mimicking activity, it has been observed by many years of research that this parabens, which mimics estrogen, is one of the main cause of high incidence of breast cancer and other type of melanomas. Melanomas, they are also a type of tumor growth, and we know that all tumors, they are not cancerous, but a tumor, if it spreads very rapidly, then only it becomes cancerous. So spreading rapidity is one of the threshold that makes a tumor cancer. So this parabens is one of the contributor of cancer. Also, there are other products like PVC, sodium lauryl sulfate. They have other effects, like for example, they alter the pregnancy outcome. I mean, they can cause abnormalities in the in the fetus also, and cause congenital birth defects. So these are the two most important these are the two most important drawbacks. That is, number one is the absorption rate is not that much good, and it produces the chemical cosmetics, they produces a lot of side effects. That is why there has been a trend that we use natural products, either plant based or algae based. So about the skin whitening and anti-wrinkle property. We know that our skin, it is made up of 3 layers. The skin is made up of 3 layers. The first layer is the epidermis, the next layer is the dermis, and the third most, the inner layer, is the hypodermis. So this is the epidermis, this one, this is the dermis, and this is the hypodermis. So these are the 3 layers of skin. Now this epidermis, it is mostly made up of keratinocyte and melanocytes. So keratinocytes, they are responsible for the hardness of the upper epidermis, and melanocytes, they are responsible for UV protection. These melanocytes, they produce another pigment called melanin, and the more exposure we have to the ultraviolet rays, the more melanin is produced. And this keratinocytes and melanocytes, they are present in this upper skin layer, that is the epidermis. Now what happens is that there is another enzyme called this tyrosinase. This tyrosinase enzyme, they catalyze the formation of the melanocytes. Melanocytes or melanosomes, they mature and produce melanin. Melanin is a skin pigment that causes browning of the skin or the skin tanning when exposed to high UV rays. So this algal product called the fucoxanthin, this algal product fucoxanthin, this fucoxanthin, that is mostly found in this brown algae, that is the laminaria, the alaria, corda, and this macrocystis. These brown algae, they have this fucoxanthin that reduce the activity of this enzyme tyrosinase. Now once the tyrosinase enzyme activity is reduced, then what happens is that lesser amount of melanosomes are produced, and as lesser amount of melanosomes they are produced, lesser amount of melanosomes means low amount of melanin, that is, it will produce low skin tanning. And we also know that the more exposed we are to UV rays, more will be the tanning as well as the wrinkling, because UV rays not only causes this tanning, but also it damages the elastin. So this is how this fucoxanthin, the algal product fucoxanthin, help in skin whitening and anti-wrinkle. This fucoxanthin is present in this 4 brown algae, though it is present in other algae also, but mainly they are commercially extracted from this laminaria, alaria, corda, and macrocystis. Then algae against skin aging. We know that a lot of metabolites, that is the secondary metabolites like lipids such as the carotenoids, the sterols, and pigments like the phycobilins, terpenoids, and a lot of vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin E, all these they help in not only they help improve the skin quality, but also they have immunogenic effect. They have immunogenic effect as well as they reduce the risk of cancer, that is they have the anti-cancer effect. So this anti-cancer, the immunogenic effect, it is due to the fact that these carotene, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin E, zeaxanthin, and a lot of this algal metabolites, they have antibacterial, antimicrobial effect as well as antioxidant effect. Now, due to this wide range of qualities, like that is antibacterial, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant effect, so all of this contribute towards improving the skin quality. Another most important thing is that this mycosporin like amino acid. Now, mycosporin like amino acid is of much importance because this mycosporin like amino acids, they are abundant in those algae or those organisms that live in high light intensity area or in the marine environment. Actually, this mycosporin like amino acid, they are actually called the microbial sunscreen because they protect the organism or the plant or algae from the oxidative effect of UV rays. We know that reactive oxygen species, which are the main cause of oxidative stress in any body, their production is enhanced by UV rays. Because what happens is that this reactive oxygen species, they phosphorylate various transcription factors. Now, what are these transcription factors? These transcription factors, they are responsible for gene expression. If the transcription factor that alter the gene expression, as we know that this transcription factor, they alter the gene expression, so different amount of proteins will be produced, altered amount of protein will be produced. So this mycosporin like amino acid, that is present mostly in organisms or algae in high and light environment, this property of mycosporin like amino acid, it is used in biotechnological field because of this antioxidant stabilizing factor. And also this MAA, due to the stabilizing effect of on the reactive oxygen, this entire plant, that is algae, is able to tolerate high desiccation and salt stress due to this. And this property has been used in the cosmetic and the pharmaceutical industries. Now, the algae that produces this mycosporin like amino acids are these algae: Turbinaria, Ahan Feltiopsis, Colopomania, Gracilaria, Halimania, Hydroclathros, Laurasia, Padina, Polysiphonia, Porphyra. Algae as moisturizing agent. Now we know that this algal product, that is the hyaluronic acid, it helps in retaining the moisture of both human skin as well as retaining moisture in the plants. Hyaluronic acid, it is present in the plasma membrane as well as it is a extracellular protein, that is the ECM, that is found in the skin, any other connective tissue and neural tissue in human. So this hyaluronic acid, as it is an extracellular matrix protein, and the main function of any extracellular matrix protein is to maintain the moisture and maintain the integrity of the epidermis. So this hyaluronic acid, when it is extracted from this algae, and it has this moisturizing effect, and also apart from this moisturizing effect, this hyaluronic acid has other biotechnological, it is also used as a biotechnological tool because in pharmaceutical industry, hyaluronic acid is one of the chief formulations in the eye drops that is used to treat dry eyes. What it does is that it helps to retain the moisture of the eye. And also this hyaluronic acid, it is used as a dermal filter, that is a filler that is applied on the dermis of the skin during any surgery, and so this is how hyaluronic acid has a wide range of application as a moisturizer in both cosmetic as well as in the pharmaceutical industry. Apart from this hyaluronic acid, algae produces a wide variety of polysaccharides. Polysaccharides like that of the algin, this algin, agar, carrageenan. Now these polysaccharides, they are also helpful in retaining the moisturizer. They are helpful in retaining the moisture of in the plant body, that is in the algae, and when applied on our skin, these polysaccharides also helps the skin to retain its moisture. At the same time, this alginate, agar and carrageenan, these polysaccharides are non-toxic. So this hyaluronic acid and this polysaccharides, though polysaccharides are present in all the algae, but they are mostly found in this Laminaria japonica, Chondrus crispus and Codium tomentosa. So as a moisturizing agent, we find two products. One is this hyaluronic acid and this polysaccharides. So these two products help in retaining moisturizing effect, and they are one of the main formulations that are found in algae based moisturizers. Actually, I have made a detailed video about these polysaccharides, alginate and agar and carrageenan. So if you want to know more about these polysaccharides, you can just go to my channel and you can watch these videos, or I will be putting the link in the description box. Algae as a thickening agent and skin sensitizer. Now, thickening agents, they are put in the lotions or shampoos or cosmetics, and just to this thickening agent, they have an effect of keeping every every component of the lotion or shampoo in colloidal form. So this thickening agent, they have dual function. One is thickening and keeping all the ingredients in the colloidal form. So algal products like polysaccharides, they are used as a thickening agent. So this algal polysaccharide, they stabilize any product, that is lotions or shampoos. So thickener, they not only thicken but also stabilize the mixture. And agar, it is mainly obtained from red algae, Gracilaria and Gelidium. And carrageenan, this carrageenan, it is obtained from Chondrus crispus. Again, I will be saying that this agar, carrageenan as well as algin, I have made a detailed video, so I am not going in detail now here in this video. So you can, if you have any queries regarding how the algal polysaccharides work and what are the other aspects that these algal polysaccharides are used, you can easily watch those and videos that I have made earlier. Algae as an antioxidant. Now we know that algae live in a very harsh environment, especially high UV ray, high salinity stress and a lot of other stresses. So they have a wide range of products, secondary metabolites, and primary as well as secondary metabolites. The primary metabolites like the vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin C, and the pigments like the astaxanthin, beta carotene, and as well as the secondary metabolites like the fucoidan, fucoxanthin, the polyphenols. These all, they have a wide variety of antioxidant properties, because as they any organism, they live in very high UV ray, so a lot of reactive oxygen is produced. So this reactive oxygen, what it does is that they alter the gene expression by acting on the transcription factor. Now this transcription factor, they are responsible for their activity as well as inactivity is responsible for altered gene expression. So if we are able to stabilize the reactive oxygen species of our body by use of these antioxidants, that is the vitamin A, vitamin C, and the astaxanthins that are produced from the algae, then we will be able to improve the antioxidant property of our body. So the antioxidant that they affect a lot of, they help help in stabilizing the reactive oxygen species, and they help in a lot of metabolic processes in our body. But on the outside, in the skin, we can manifest the oxidative effect in the form of dark circles and hair loss or dandruff. So this antioxidant property of algae are used to solve this problem, that is the harsh effect on the skin, the skin of the our scalp and the hair. So algae, this is how algae is used as an antioxidant. And spirulina and chlorella, they have a wide range of antioxidant primary and secondary metabolites. Now I'll end the video with this cosmetic products that are used by various industries. This industry, Aqua Rev Industries, they have this they use this red algae called the Kappa ficus as well as the sargassum, and this Kappa ficus and sargassum, they are collected, dried, powdered, and also it can be obtained in liquid form also. Algatech uses green algae, the Haematococcus pluvialis, because of the astaxanthin. We know that astaxanthin is the most potent antioxidant, and it is also used in not only the cosmetic industries but also the food and beverage industry also. And another very popular is the industry is the Nika. They use the spirulina, and the products where the spirulina is used is mainly as a moisturizer. And then L'Oreal also uses red algae in their masks, in their exfoliators as well, that help in reducing and cleansing the skin. Then we have La Pericellular. La Pericellular uses Chlamydomonas nivalis, which has anti-aging, which is used in anti-aging cream. So with this I come to the end of the first part of the video. In any case, I have missed any point or you want me to discuss anything more, you can also write it in the comment section. And please do write in the comment section how you like the video and what are the other topics you'd like me to introduce. So thanks for watching this video. If you like it, share it with your friends and do subscribe. Your subscription, it is actually free. It doesn't cost you, but it will certainly it will encourage me to make more videos. Again, thank you for this watching this video. Thank you.